Hey everyone, buckle up for a ride. Last Sunday, I embarked on an epic bike adventure with some friends, and let me tell you, it was a day I won't soon forget. It all started off as a random plan. We decided on a whim to ditch the usual routine and explore somewhere new on two wheels. Our starting point: Victory Lane in Thaltej, Ahmedabad. The city was just waking up. And the roads were blissfully free of traffic. It was pure magic cruising through the quiet streets on a Sunday morning, a feeling of pure freedom. We weaved our way out of Ahmedabad, following the highway towards our destination, Galteshwar, a temple near Dakore, nestled on the banks of the Mahi River. As we rode further, the sights transformed from bustling cityscapes to peaceful villages. The air grew fresher, the scenery more picturesque. Finally, after a good hour and a half of riding, we reached the temple area. But our final stop was a little further ahead. We ventured off-road a bit, seeking a quiet spot by the river's edge. And there it was. A hidden gem, a perfect little clearing right on the riverbank. Parking our bikes, we whipped out our trusty camping stove. The weather had turned a bit cloudy, with a light drizzle setting in, but that only added to the ambience. We brewed a pot of steaming hot chai, the perfect cuppa to warm us up and take in the beauty of the surroundings. As we sipped our tea, a couple of local cowherds joined us, adding to the charm of the moment. Sharing a cup of chai and conversation with these friendly faces was a heartwarming experience. Hunger pangs soon kicked in, and we knew it was time to refuel. Maggi noodles, a classic camping companion, came to the rescue. The sound of sizzling noodles, mixed with the pitter-patter of rain, created a symphony of deliciousness. As we devoured our Maggi, a thought struck me. This entire day, the unplanned adventure, the camaraderie with friends, the simple pleasures of chai and noodles by the river, it was a perfect example of living life on your own terms. It's not about the number of days we live, but the quality of the moments we create. Our tummies full and spirits high, it was time to head back. The rain had picked up, transforming our ride into a full-fledged monsoon adventure. through the rain for 2 hours, the wind in our hair and the cool spray on our faces, it was pure exhilaration. Reaching Ahmedabad, however, presented a different challenge. The city was battling heavy rain and waterlogging, adding a couple more hours to our journey. But even the traffic couldn't dampen our spirits. We were a group of friends, bonded by a shared experience, and that's what truly matters. So, there you have it, folks. My incredible Sunday bike ride adventure. Remember, sometimes the best experiences are the unplanned ones. Grab your friends, hop on your bikes, and explore. You never know what hidden gems await you just around the corner. Until next time, happy riding.